What's up, gentlemen? All right, so today's video is something super quick. I have Christian here. Turn the video camera around, Christian. And I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity for me to show you a denim wearing hack that I've been doing now for a little bit. So one of the issues that I have is that when I buy denim or jeans that look good with boots, right, they're maybe stacked a little bit. Wearing them with dress shoes, it looks a little bit funny having a lot of extra fabric at the ankle. The other issue with having like jeans hemmed is that most places cannot replace the original hem, and the denim looks a little bit weird and funny at the cuff. And so I sort of figured something out by accident that I've been rocking, and it's worked like a charm, and I love it. It's a great way to basically transition your long jeans into jeans that are appropriate with dress shoes. Check it out down here. Let me show you. Down here. All right, so see how with these jeans, they're a little bit longer. There's a lot of bunching and gathering down at the ankle, right? Same thing over here, right? Just a lot of extra fabric. The jeans are a bit too long to wear like this. It looks a little bit sloppy. But what I have been doing is actually pulling it up to where I want it, right? Like here, I want the jeans to be there. And then what I'll do is I will actually just fold, make it nice and smooth, and I will fold the denim over, basically removing the extra fabric. And so it looks like that. Check it out. Look, right? Now sure, if you get in there, you can tell that something's a little bit funny, but this totally works and it totally holds. The difference, look at that, or that, right? It's absolutely a quick style hack that works like a charm, because I like seeing the original cuff and hem exposed. So right here, right there, right there, right there. And literally, it stays all day long. It's crazy and super cool. Up here, Christian? And so that's it. That is my quick little jean and denim wearing hack. When they're too long and you want to make them a little bit shorter so you can wear them with dress shoes, all you got to do, tuck it under, fold it up, and it looks incredible. Guys, hope you dug this. If you do, give this video a big Alpha M thumbs up. Wait. See you tomorrow.